travel to the darkest place. Land of the known by Escape DiCaprio. Catch me if you can, try to catch a flow. Rappers I catapult, microscopic. Soon as I pack a bowl, 3 strikes, where the batter go. Dug out these souls for some bread, it's my role. Wash out, turn sour for the dough. I got power and you don't. Hot for hours, I just write. Now they want me for a night, shining bright like they city. Cause I kill it like Kenny on the mat, get stoned. Can't catch what I roll, even if they had a admit. I'm the truth you admit. Breaking out Pandora's box, leave the land of the lost. To a war with the God, think we already lost. Spend it, spend it, spend it. Money make a demon, smeagol with the ring. Bitch, I'm big like Precious.
Throw it. The reason, my demon, they're trying to bring you right back. About to bring life back. How is it going? Frozen Perspective, episode 21. How is it going? Long time no see. Press the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Go check out frozenproductions.shop to support what I got going on here. I shoot music videos for artists here locally in town, and I shoot events that happen in Fairbanks. There was just a crazy event at the Marlin, I want to say on the 5th, last weekend, and it was phenomenal. We have Frankie, Bishop, Britt, Egret, Alaska Red, Starbucks, and this one other dude, I forget his name. But everyone had a showing and performed. I'm dropping that video soon, gonna edit it up after this one. Thought I'd do this one first just to drop a little, pod, give you guys an update on what I'm doing, what I've been up to. Work, obviously, I've been fucking working. Me and Brad just been busting stuff out, like at work. Went to the lake today, mowed it, used a brush cutter on a couple areas. And yesterday, I was up at Big Boss's house and brush cut like this whole hillside. It only took us like not that long. It was crazy, but we were putting in work. It's been super shitty out, like very smoky. Forest fires have been outrageous. Try not to be outside if you're elderly, stay indoors as much as you can with the filtered air, you don't want to be breathing that smoke, but it's finally starting to clear up. It's been about a week of smoke, I would say, but we have like a 5500 anchor. Hold up, let me get a drink. Oh, we got like a 5500 anchor. A fire. Huge fire. I wonder where it's at. I got my computer here. Fairbanks fire map. Fairbanks fire map. Alaska wildland fire information. Blah 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 blah. Current fire. Boom. Okay, so Fairbanks. Damn, out by Lost Horse Creek. Oh, fucking Lost Horse Creek. We got a 9,500 anchor fire. The little, the synopsis here. Progress has been made with construction of an indirect line of the southern side with the recently arrived masticators. I don't even know what work will continue on this for long-term management of the fire, and further work is being done secure I imagine he meant secure existing direct lines as well as improving structure protection measures. So That's wild. 9,500. Holy fuck. It's fucking wild out here. Let me see where the wind's blowing. Wind. Oh, I just gotta go to the weather. Boom. Man, it's fucking crazy out there. Stay indoors. I mean, this shit is wild. So the wind is currently blowing northwest. It's blowing more west. So what fires are to the east? So damn, we got a pretty big one out here. Oh, fire was called out. Damn, there's over by Delta. Oh my lord. So this is the probably smoke we've been getting, is this big Pogo Mine road fire. 47,136.9 acres. Fire activity continues to be active and resources are working online and hotspots. So ridiculous. And then right next to it, there's another 50,000 acre. It says a structure was lost in this incident of the night of 8-7. It's just all together, I would say there's probably 100,000 acres burning. 100 to 500,000 acres burning kind of west or east of us, and the wind's blowing west. So we are getting those fires currently. Stay indoors. It's insane out there. Like I said, you don't want to be breathing it. You want to be indoors with the filter. Fucking Frankie Deluxe, go check out him on Apple Music. He just dropped a new mixtape. It's called Midsummer Heat. 7 songs. From the top, there's Come Together, Ball Forever, This My Dream, Big Screen, Don't Wanna Talk, Drive, and Fabulous. Let me just play Don't Wanna Talk. That's one of my favorites out of this one.
Don't wanna talk about it, don't wanna argue about it, don't wanna think about it, I'd rather run away. That's why I'm getting clouded, my head is getting crowded, this world is out of balance, I don't really wanna stay. I can't wait to lead us to the land where everything brand new. Most things we go through don't make sense, but it really doesn't have to. 10 toes, I'm staying down, don't let them weigh me down. They gonna hate me now, love you for a bank account. I've been running wild, hog inside the streets, we let the money pile. Watch them all leave, no one calls me. I turn my phone on silent, I let the phone ring. Don't know why I'm lying, I want all these numbers. Let's just keep on dialing, I go on autopilot and just keep flying.
I can't wait to lead us to the land where everything brand new. Fuck yeah, that shit is solid as fuck. Go check it out. Go download on Apple Music, Frankie Deluxe. The gym recently. Fucking honestly, this last month I probably went like 15 times. Probably 15, half of the month I went. I've been just kind of maintaining. It's summertime, I've been enjoying it. I've been working hard, like every day working labor, so it's tough to go to the gym. I cannot wait for the winter because I'll start to slow down, have time on my hands, and be able to hit the gym, you know? I can't wait. What else? UFC 280 is in like 4 days. I'm pretty sure it's this next weekend, I want to say, but O'Malley versus Aljamain. They just dropped the O'Malley versus Jan fight for free on YouTube. I personally think I'm a Sean O'Malley fan. I watched that fight and I thought Jan got it done. I thought Jan finished it with his 6 takedowns. The only thing I gotta say to that, contrary to that statement, is Jan was more damaged. Sean O'Malley split him up with that flying knee, or with that knee up the middle. So, I mean, damage trumps all. So, but I feel like, it's just so close. But watching the fight, I would have gave it to Jan. But we'll see how O'Malley does against small little Aljamain. I think Aljamain is going to get KO'd. Sean's going to come in there really loose, patient. Aljo is going to try to do a bunch. He's going to be doing a bunch and getting pieced, getting countered. Everything Aljamain does will get like stuffed or reciprocated, and then to more extent back onto him, I think. It's going to be an interesting match. We'll see how it turns out. And I want to start my own like reality TV show, like interviewing me and like documenting my life, and then doing like little interview clips and having like storylines and all that type of shit, you know? Like one storyline could be me at work, and then me like in the stock market. Another storyline could be me like filming other artists, my film shit. So I got like 3 things I could document and put into a reality TV show, and it'll be different from my podcast. This will be different. This will be like just the get on here and talk, to talk, and the reality TV show will be just like entertainment, or I mean like TV entertainment, if that makes sense. And I just got all my frozen ice merch finally in. I guess it was like something happened with my last order and I never looked into it, and I finally looked into it, and it's on the way, or I put it on the way, so it finally came here, and it's gonna be a photo shoot. I'm getting my garage set up. I gotta cut my hair first. I think I might just do the photo shoot and then cut my hair. But we'll see. And then I already got the logos for the next merch I want. So it's going to be unfrozen merch next. And then after that, I don't know. I'll have to like think. Drop the comment in below and let me know like what you want to see. You know what I mean? Fuck. Whoever wants to be on the pod, fucking come on. Come on the pod. We'll move the desk. What I'll do for like guests next time, instead of just doing like sideways, or like the table sideways, I'm just gonna put the table a little more this way, like over here, like just move it like, and then it'll just be showing that instead of the window won't be in it. So that's the only thing that's gonna change, and it'll be closer towards me. So you're gonna see more like the table and a little more like wider, I guess. But shit, I've been feeling good, feeling loose. Just been super fucking busy, real busy. I just want to sleep right now, like. That's all I want to do. Whoever's watching this far, thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing, beautiful rest of your day, week, month, year. Live with happiness. Live every day with love. 'Cause you don't know what's after this life. And we know this life comes with love. So really, just allow yourself to be loose and flow. Have good relationships, and check out frozenproductions.shop. Go shop for all that shit. Fill up the bag and let me know. Tag me on Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Snap. No, I'm not on Snap. But just go hit up that shit and I'm out. Doses.